Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have our 2024 Hyundai Kona SEL all-wheel drive. This one is finished in Mirage Green, has the 2-liter inline 4. If you see any lights flickering, this thing features a lot of LEDs. It's the camera, it's not the car, because they're not flickering at all in person. Plenty of storage space out back. Nice and roomy back seat. Tons of good storage options all around. Three different drive modes: snow, normal, sport. Will be in sport for this drive. You do have all-wheel drive lock, your camera button, auto hold, stuff like that. This CVT is actually very, very impressive in its tuning. It's definitely one of the better CVTs I've used. Oh, come on. In fact, once you do some sporty driving, the shifting, the fake shifting is pretty impressive. You'll see as we get going. It's been comfortable. I've spent the night with it. It's been a comfortable car. All the touchscreen, everything is very, very easy to use. Very quick, responsive. Sound system, for being the base sound system, not bad, functional. You know, obviously this isn't the N line, this isn't the Kona N, this isn't the fun one. It's still a really, really fun car to drive. I've enjoyed my time in it a lot. I love the CVT. The tuning in it, it's just, when you're driving sporty, a lot of CVTs fall on their face. This one doesn't. The shifting is almost addictive. It's very dual clutch like how it shifts. And obviously, I'm driving a bit like a buffoon. Let's put it into normal. You can see how quiet it really is. You drive it like normal, your complaint of the engine being buzzy, whatever, it's gone. Because the CVT turns into a smooth, nice, comfortable CVT. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.